SaaS as a service or SaaS is another cloud service model which allow users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the internet. In our daily life we use SaaS applications a lot. Can you think of any? The mailing service you are using, the video you watch online on streaming apps, the video communication that you do, all are example of SaaS. Software as a service is the delivery of cloud-based resources via a web application or an API that completely executes over the cloud infrastructure. User do not need to install any application, unless using a mobile phone, on the local device. All the underlying infrastructure, middleware, software, and app data are located in the remote machine which we access through internet, either by web browser or mobile app or through an API. The service provider manages the hardware and software required for the service and deliver them to user for instant use. Like IaaS and PaaS, SaaS also offers a number of advantages that make it different from other two platforms. The hosted applications are available on either pay-as-you-go or subscription model, like Office 365 is a subscription model. User just deal with the data, and has nothing to worry about the software upgrades and patches, in case of web-based application. If using the mobile application, user may need to install and update the application regularly. Failure of local device does not affect the data, which is securely stored over the cloud infrastructure. Resources are instantly scalable. For that, user just need to pay for the resource or change the subscription. The services are available anytime, anywhere. These services are highly supported with all types of devices, from the smartwatch to desktop devices. The advantages of SaaS make it different from other service models, but the drawbacks are somewhat similar. User can face a performance issue in form of latency, as data travels twice from device to cloud and vice versa. While integrating the services with another services or with the local service, it could be overhead. Security risks are always present as it includes two-way communication and number of attack vectors are present. Unlike IaaS and PaaS, SaaS has the least control over the underlying resources, which also results in limited customizability. User has no control over the data and cannot access it, if not connected to the internet. User do not know where his or her data is stored. Since SaaS model include two-way communication for every action, there is double latency due to the fact that data travels twice. Like previously said, SaaS is most commonly used cloud service. So, UI is very easy to guess the implementation of software as a service. In entertainment, it includes the streaming services, gaming platforms, etc. Most common usage of software as a service in storing data online for backup. The instant messaging apps, video calling apps, etc. are categorized in communication which uses SaaS. In productive applications like Microsoft Office 365, Google's G Suite, the service model does not restrict till here. With the advent development and need, a more number of service models are being introduced, some of which are specifically problem-oriented. We will see some of the same models in upcoming videos, but before that let's discuss a case study of the three models.